everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a video response for Cara's Corner. She is having a crafty challenge this year. It's called Cara's Corner's Crafty Challenge 2021. So check her out. Last week we were tasked with a DIY keepsake box and mini album. So she always says, shop your stash and less craft. So the elements that had to be included were a collage layered element, a window pocket, and a sentiment about memories or moments. So let me show you what I came up with. So here's my little box. So I did not have a box to repurpose. I have had tons of boxes over the last few months to do all sorts of things with, but a couple of weeks ago, went through the house, filled up the recycle bin with all the cardboard we had laying around that we really weren't using. And so I had to go to Dollar Tree and purchase, I could have made a box, but I wanted a box that was already made. So I went and bought these little, they're Pound Puppy or Paw Patrol little treats, and they were in this size box, and I love this size, so that's what I used. So I used paper from my stash, which I purchased majority of my colored paper from Joann, and so this is Brazil paper. And then I ran this top piece through the embossing folder because the paper didn't fit all the way around, so I thought I'd cut this piece and run it through the embossing folder. And then I layered the top with ephemera that I had in my stash, and I can't think of what it is with the ephemera from right now, but I'll leave it in the description box below. And then I used a little bit of bling on it to kind of make it pretty. But I love this color. I didn't really have a direction that I wanted to go. I just opened my closet where I keep my paper and just grab some paper, and then that's how I do. I just go from there because it's all about the paper to me. So then we have a drawer element, and I used some ribbon. I just hole punched two little holes in there and threaded my ribbon through to make a drawer pull. So this is the drawer pull, and you pull out, and then here is the little mini album. So the mini album, I use mostly Maggie Holmes paper. I cut that little string off that I just pulled. And I have some ribbon that I just wrapped around, and maybe I'll put something there to kind of hide the glue mark. And then this is some trim, little ephemera, I guess, from Maggie Holmes. And it's just a sweet little album. I made it out of envelopes that I made using the Maggie Holmes paper. So that, we won't even go into that, but here's my album. You open it up, and then this is for a picture, and then this says, you make the good times even better. So that's my sentiment about memories. And then you open it up here, and it has two little slide-in pockets for these tags that you can use to as journaling notes on the back. And my ribbon is fraying. I'm gonna have to singe the edges. And then once again, there's that trim. And then you open it up, and then it says live out loud. And I like how I put the paper here in the envelope, but it kind of like goes to that, you know, like live out loud. And here's the window pocket element. You can, let's see, slide a picture in here. And then this is a this isn't, I'm not sure if this is from Maggie Holmes. I think this is from, can't think of the name, but I'll put it below. I never have my notes with me. And then I put a piece of acetate in there to, for that. And then when you close it up, it's just the back of the envelope. Super simple, super sweet, easy peasy, just like I like it. So, and then it closes with the ribbon. And I made it a little smaller than the box, but I still kind of wanted a little bit of size to it, because when I send this, I want to be able to add some candy in here. So that's why it sits up a little, and the candy will be under it. And that is my little keepsake box. Let me know what you think below, and check out Cara's Corner's YouTube page, and maybe join the challenge. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.